This Google Nest Cam outdoor or indoor battery, second generation 3-pack, is a versatile and intelligent security solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. With its advanced features, easy installation, and integration with the Google Home app, it provides a comprehensive and user-friendly experience. Here's an in-depth look at what makes these cameras a standout choice for home security. The Google Nest Cam boasts a sleek and modern design with a compact and weather-resistant build that makes it suitable for various environments. Each camera in the 3-pack is designed to withstand the elements, ensuring reliable performance whether placed inside your home or outdoors. The cameras are battery-powered, which adds to their versatility, allowing you to place them anywhere without worrying about proximity to power outlets. The magnetic mount system simplifies installation, letting you easily attach the cameras to walls, ceilings, or other surfaces. Setting up the Nest Cam is straightforward, thanks to the Google Home app, which guides you through each step. The app provides clear instructions for connecting the cameras to your Wi-Fi network and syncing them with your Google account. For those who prefer a continuous power source, Google offers weather-resistant power cables and indoor stands with power cables sold separately. This option is ideal for users who want 24/7 video recording with the Nest Aware Plus subscription. The Nest Cam delivers impressive video quality with 1080p HDR video, ensuring clear and vibrant footage. Whether it's day or night, the cameras provide detailed and sharp images. The night vision feature is particularly noteworthy, offering excellent visibility in low-light conditions, so you can monitor your property around the clock. The cameras also come with a 130-degree field of view, providing a wide coverage area. This ensures that you can monitor large spaces with fewer cameras, making the 3-pack a cost-effective solution for comprehensive home security. One of the standout features of the Nest Cam is its integrated intelligence, which can distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles. This advanced motion detection system reduces false alarms and ensures you receive relevant alerts. The Google Home app sends these notifications directly to your phone, so you're always aware of important activity. For those who require extended video storage, Nest Aware provides up to 60 days of video history, while Nest Aware Plus offers up to 10 days of 24/7 continuous recording. These subscriptions ensure you never miss important events and can review footage as needed. Another key feature of the Nest Cam is its ability to store up to 1 hour of recorded events locally if your Wi-Fi goes out or there's a power outage. This ensures you have a record of what happened during these interruptions, providing an added layer of security. The Nest Cam integrates seamlessly with Google Assistant, allowing you to view live video feeds on compatible smart displays, TVs, and tablets. You can also use voice commands to control the cameras, making it easy to check on different areas of your home. Additionally, the cameras are compatible with Amazon Alexa, giving you flexibility in how you manage your smart home devices. This cross-platform compatibility is a significant advantage for users with diverse smart home ecosystems. Google places a strong emphasis on privacy and security, ensuring that your data is protected. The Nest Cam uses encrypted video streams and secure cloud storage, so your footage is only accessible by you. The Google Home app provides various settings to customize your privacy preferences, including activity zones and notification settings. The Nest Cam's built-in speaker and microphone enable two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with visitors or deter potential intruders. With a Nest Aware subscription, you can even call local emergency services directly from the Google Home app, providing a quick and effective response to security incidents. Conclusion: the Google Nest Cam outdoor or indoor battery, second generation, 3-pack, is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security with a flexible, intelligent, and high-quality camera system. Its advanced features, such as 1080p HDR video, intelligent alerts, and seamless integration with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, make it a standout product in the market. The easy installation, versatile power options, and robust performance ensure that these cameras meet both aesthetic and functional needs. Whether you're looking to monitor your home indoors or outdoors, the Nest Cam provides reliable and comprehensive security coverage. In summary, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery second generation 3-pack offers peace of mind with its intelligent features, high quality video, and seamless smart home integration. It's a valuable addition to any home security system, providing advanced monitoring and protection around the clock. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.